Hello everyone. Today we will go through a project which we have created for a client. So this is an application which helps client to get a detail related to stock. So this is a home page. Over here we are getting the top trending stock according to the category like mega cap, large cap, mid cap, small cap, and micro cap. So if we check over here in mega cap, we are getting like name of the company, price, percent change, volume, and market cap. Also, in other categories, we are getting the same details. We check over here, mid cap, small cap, then micro cap. Also, if we click for a specific company, it will redirect to the specific company details. So over here we are getting stock related details of this company, Big Bear. So this is the description. These are the other details. This all details we are getting from the IEX API. Also, we have created a search functionality. So over here, if we want to search for Apple stock, we can search directly from the search functionality from the home page. So over here, if we search for Apple, it will take us to the specific page. Over here, we are getting more details as the app, as IEX API has more detail related to Apple than a Big Bear. So here we are getting description, employees number, exchange name, address, symbol, website, lots of detail. Also over here we have created a yearly chart and a 20-week average chart. Over here we can select a specific range. We can zoom in. So we have created this chart using Plotly Python library. Also we are showing recent news, top 25 recent news related to the Apple. Also with this search functionality, we have also added a search functionality for crypto. Let's say if a client want to search for a crypto currency, he can directly search for the details. So here we just have to change it to crypto, then over your name of currency. So over here we are getting the details of the crypto Ethereum. So we got the company name, high value, high source, high time, each and every value related to crypto. So this was a short demo related to this project. Lastly, I Vivek Vedant as a data scientist associate in the Blackcoffer would like to thank Ajay sir and the team, Blackcoffer team, for helping me to deliver this project successfully to the client till the end. Thank you.